Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Let's explore a new kind of conflict, one fought not on land, but inside our very own minds. Yeah, the battlefield is getting incredibly personal. We're talking about cognitive warfare, or CogWar for short. Now, this goes way beyond just propaganda. It's not about what you think, but how you think. And this is made possible by a threat that sounds like straight-up science fiction: brainjacking. So what is it? It's malicious control over brain implants, and it happens in two main ways. First up, you've got blind attacks. These are scary because the attacker needs to know nothing about you. These attacks can do some serious damage, stop therapy, harm tissue, even drain implant batteries. And that drained battery? It could force someone into a risky, unnecessary replacement surgery. Wild, right? Okay, now for targeted attacks. This is where it gets way more personal and, frankly, sinister. Imagine this. Someone could alter your emotions, your movements, or hijack your brain's reward system. So with threats like these, the big question is, how do we even begin to defend ourselves? Well, the defense starts with a new idea called cognitive liberty. It's your right to control your mind. And get this, it's not just a theory. It's actually becoming law. Look at what Chile did. Yup, Chile became the first country to amend its constitution to protect mental privacy. A huge step. This is all part of a growing field called neurosecurity, which is all about securing these neural devices.
The takeaway is clear. As tech advances, our minds are the new frontier for cybersecurity.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.